Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your 7th lecture of English grammar. In our previous lecture, we learnt our two lessons, lesson number 1 and lesson number 4, which are the alphabetical order, nouns. In the noun, we learnt about common noun, the proper noun, and got some basic information of the collective nouns. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 5, nouns singular and plural. Let's see what will we learn here in this lecture. Introduction. First of all, I will give an introduction of singular and plural. Then we will see the definition of singular and plural. Then we will see the rules how to make a noun in a plural form. Then we will see the examples, and then I will give an exercise for your homework. As you know that a name of a person, place, animal and thing is called a noun. But when you see the noun in one, then what can you say? It is one. And whenever you find or see the noun in more than one or in a group, then what can you say? You said there are many, right? Today we are going to learn the another name of one and many, means singular and plural. Let's see the definition. What is singular? The thing which is one in quantity is called one or singular form of noun. Means whenever you find the noun in one quantity, it is called the singular form of the noun. What are plural? The things which are more than one in quantity are called many, or you can say that plural form of noun. Means that whenever you find same kind of nouns in more than one or in a group, then you can say that they are in a plural form. Let's see some rules how to make a noun in a plural form, means how to make a singular in a plural. There are so many rules are there, but here we are going to learn only 2 rules today. The first rule is by adding s. How to make a noun in a plural form by adding s. We add s to the most nouns to form the plural. Means it is a very basic and common rule when we want to make the noun in a plural form. We generally use s to make them plural. Let's see some examples. Singular and plural means one and many. A boy. One thing is that just remember is whenever you represent the noun in a one, then you have to mention a or an before the noun. Here I have written a before boy, means boy is only one. So a boy represent The boy is only one. You cannot say this is one boy. No, this is a boy is the correct way of the saying it is a one boy. Okay, here what can we do to make them plural? When you see 3-4 boys, then you add s to make them plurals. Then another example, a cow means whenever you see one cow on the road anywhere else, then you cannot say this is one cow. You have to say that this is a cow. A is an article. An article a and n shows the singular form of the noun. So a cow, how we make them plural? We adding s to them. Cows. Next, a pencil. What can we do to make it plural? Yes, we are adding s. Pencils. I hope you will understand this rule. It is very easy. Now let's move on. We are going to learn another rule, and which is by adding es. How to make a noun in plural by adding es. Nouns which ends in o, s, ss, sh, ch and x. We add es to make them plural. Means whenever we find the word to and we want to make them plural, so we have to just look at the last letter of the words. If they are o, s, x, or their last two letters are ss, sh or ch, then we add es to them to make them plural. Let's see some examples and then we will get the clarity of this rule. A mango. A is represent only one mango is there. And what is the last letter of mango? O. So what is the rule? Whenever we find the last letter O, S, ss, sh, ch or x, we add es to make them plural. So what can we do to make them plural? Yes, we are going to add es to make them plural. So it became mangoes. Understand? Now let's see next example. A box. What is the last letter of the X? Box, X, right? So what can we do? We are going to add es to it to make it plural form. So it became boxes. Understand? Next, a watch. Just compare the last two letters. Just identify the last two letters. They are ch. So ch in the rule? Yes. Then what can we do? We add es to make it plural form. So a watch became watches. Next, a brush. What are the last two letters? sh. sh in the rule? Yes. Then yes, we add es to make them plural. So a brush became brushes. I hope you will understand how to make the plural form with es. Let's moving on. Let's see some mixed examples with S or ES. Means here we have to decide by self whenever we add S and whenever we will add ES to make them plural. We use S or ES to make them plural, singular and plural form. First is a girl. There is no hint is there whenever the last letter is L. Then what can we do? So we use general rule, means we add S to make it plural. So a girl become girls by adding S. Next example, a class. Just look at the last letters. Which are they? Double S, right? Then what can we do? Yes, we are going to add ES to make them plural. So a class become classes. Yes. Next example, a potato. What is the last letter of potato? O. Whenever we get the last letter O, then what will we do? Yes, we add ES to make it plural and a potato become potatoes. Next, a doll. Again L is in the last letter. Then we add S. So doll become dolls. Next, a bottle. What is the last letter? E. There is a no hint, any hint there when the last letter is E. Then what can we do? So we apply the general rule, means S. So a bottle become bottles. Next, a color. Here also we don't have any hint. Then we add again only S to make it plural. So a color become colors. I hope you will understand how to identify a noun to make them in a different ways in a plural form with S and ES. Thank you. Have a great day.